Hey YouTube, today we have a Hoover Runabout Vacuum. I got this yesterday for my 15th birthday, and it's a pretty nice vacuum. And a shout out in this video goes to VacMaster the Great. This thing is in pretty nice condition. I kind of like these older Hoovers. Well, actually I do like these Hoovers. I have an Encore, which is similar to this Hoover Runabout, but it's out in the shed, not in the house like this one is. So, without further ado, let's give this vacuum a run. And yes, we're using baking soda for this demonstration. So here we go. And it did a nice job. So have a good day, YouTube, and stay tuned for the review of the Hoover Wide Path Tempo. Have a good day, YouTube.